If you read the title, you know where this is going. Why do I do this to myself? Alright, so basically what Beanboozle is, if you don't know, so there's a jelly bean and it looks the exact same as another jelly bean. One jelly bean tastes really bad and one tastes okay. I'm going to take every color and I'm going to put them all in a spoon and then I'm going to eat it.
Hey guys, I forgot to tell y'all the flavors because I'm a big dumb stupid head, so I'm gonna put them on screen. Alright, back to the video.
Before we begin, I'd like to thank you all so much for 1,000 subscribers. I love all of you. And most of all, I'd like to thank God. I'd like to thank Him for giving me the viewership and just for all the blessings He's put in my life. God bless you all. Yeah, I'm gonna eat this now. It's torture. Alright, they're all on the spoon. Apparently these taste really, really bad, so... Yucky. It's not that bad. It's like the chew. Sweet. I'm getting some of the sour. I definitely got a couple bad flavors, but wasn't that bad. Wasn't that bad at all. Alright, so I would give the beans probably like a 2 out of 10 on disgusting meter. They weren't that bad. But thank you guys for watching and thank you again for 1,000 subscribers. Peace.